Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, how are you all?
Fine, sir.
Good. So I request everyone to turn on your cameras. Akil, how are you?
So fine.
Fine. Why you always so dull? हाँ? सर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कभी भी डल नहीं रहता हूँ हाँ? Akil, talk loudly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. When is your exam? Maths exam. How's the things going on?
Uh,
Sorry, I would like to. Yes. Yeah, I would like to see you're talking loudly, please.
Sir, no information till now given.
Still no information regarding the exam. Okay. So probably, I mean, probably what you are expecting so from your school side when they are going to conduct.
I think they will take in school.
Sorry.
Sir, in school they will take.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. So no tentative date still in the month of October, mid of October, last week of October.
Sir, October only.
What about Benjamin, Steve?
Mine starts on first and ends on 8th.
When is your maths exam then?
Sir, on 5th.
Sorry,
On 5th.
on 5th. Okay. So basically, look at this. and 5th you have maths exam. What about you, Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera, sir.
Yes, sir. Just wait for a minute.
Okay. Yes, Himanshu, did you write your test last time?
Yes, sir.
Did you write the test last week?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
What was your percentage?
Sir, my percentage I didn't check, sir. It was not showing there.
I posted in the group, right? See, sometimes I might be asking you, individually that whether you are looking at your result or not.
Okay.
Can you please tell me now? You have to tell me. You have to remember your result. You have to compare yourself. You have to make an improvement in the result. All right. So, what was your percentage in the last week, and what you are going to get for the next week? So, these are the things you have to, keep thinking on.
So actually, sir, that was my first test, sir, because earlier, sir, I was facing an issue, sir, in Topper app. So, sir, that was my first exam.
So, you do not know what was your what's your mark.
Let me check, sir, just a minute.
What's your name, Himanshu, right? But I don't
Yes,
think so. You have written the test.
yes, sir, I have written the test, sir.
But your result is not here.
Let me check, sir, just a minute. I have put, sir.
Okay. So Steve, what was your percentage in the last exam? 50?
So 54.
Okay, Steve, I would like to see you are like above 90% the next exam.
Yes, sir.
And your exam also nearing by. Make sure that you are practicing that and keep asking the doubts. If you have any doubts, drop me a message in the WhatsApp.
Sir, here it's written that, sir, confirm for resubmission, sir.
Confirm
That
for resubmission. So can
Yes,
you
sir.
please resubmit that again?
Okay, sir. Um, mm, okay.
Sir, can I off my video for few minutes because I'm eating now?
Sorry?
Sir, can I off my video for few minutes? I'm eating now.
Okay, fine. See, basically, look at this. Yes, you can just. Steve, actually, your result was 54. I should see you that you are getting marks, and you just drop me a message in WhatsApp that if you have any doubts. And if you have any doubts, post it in WhatsApp. If you are posting that particular doubt in WhatsApp, so that what will happen is I'll take that to the class and I'll explain to everyone. So in such a way that everyone can get benefited, and I should see, I should get doubts from your side, Benjamin. Steve, why? Because you got less marks last time, and you might have made mistakes, and you should come up with those
The
questions.
last time I got 19 out of 20. I got 95 percentage.
Yes, I know that. I know that, but it should not be the same. It should be the same with every exam, right? On an average. But
Yes.
there could be a plus or minus, like 5%, like 92. You might come for 80% or 85%, 86%, but you can't come till so down. You can't get declined that much. So your percentage was 95 in the last exam, and 11 before the exam. Now the last week it was like 54. So you can't, just decline for 40%. You understand, Mr. Seaman?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just I would like to make a point over here that please you make sure your result is like a linear graph. You can just get down, you can just decline for 5%. You can't decline more than that. So if you're 90%, you can come like 85%, it might happen. But again, you need to bounce back. You can't like, your exams are nearing by, so you can't perform like this, Simon, Steve, Simon, Benjamin.
Yes, sir.
All right. So please mind this, everyone, not only, Steve here, each and every student present over here. So please mind this, the suggestions, mind these statements, and follow accordingly. All right. Yes. So yes, Ahil.
Yes, sir.
Ahil,
Yes, sir.
turn on your camera, Ahil. When is your exam, Ahil?
Sir, I don't know.
Huh?
Sir,
Yes. Hello.
yes, sir.
When is your exam? I'm asking. When is your exam?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. So what was your percentage in the last exam?
Sir, 94.5%.
So you should maintain the same thing, but you can't come down, you can't decline. All right. So
Yes, sir.
your same, it should be maintained same. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, Amrita.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Steve, Himanshu, Akhil, everyone, Amrita, everyone are requested to turn on their cameras. Make it fast.
Sir, my camera is blurred, sir, because of
Your camera is
my camera is blurred, sir.
not an issue. Not an issue. I can see you. No problem at all. It's fine. All right. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, guys, the intent of conducting an extra class. The intent of conducting an extra class is to get to know that whether you have any doubts or not, and this is mainly focused on, basically, this the purpose of conducting this session is to motivate you, basically. All right. So I would like to know, Amrita, when is your school exams are going to happen?
Sir, our school exams are done today only.
Today only. So when is your maths exam?
Sir, it's
When was
done
your
today.
when was your maths exam?
Last week. I mean Wednesday, not Wednesday, Monday.
अरे
This
एग्जाम का डेट
Monday जो हो गया.
सॉरी
So
एग्जाम
the last Monday I had maths exam.
okay. How was your test?
Yes, sir, it was good.
It was good. So what was the portions?
So for our school, right, the same, the term 1 syllabus.
Okay. So look at this here, everyone. When as soon as you're done with your exam, and as soon as you get declared with your results, you just kindly inform me your marks. All right. Everyone should inform your marks as well. All right. Clear? Akhil, are you listening to the class?
Yes, sir.
Where you are looking at?
Sir, you were asking about the pre-board, right, sir?
Yes, whatever your school exam was, what your school going to be conduct, you have to just
Yes.
tell me that mark. Yeah. Yes. So we have done with the term one syllabus. I think so. We are in the which chapter? We are in which chapter? हमको भी पता नहीं सर खुद. Which chapter we are going with? Did we start a new chapter?
Sir, we are in circles.
We are in circles. Okay, so we'll start circles. No, as soon as everyone joins, not now. Now you can ask the doubts if you have any doubts. Amrita, any doubts? अभी तो एग्जाम हो गया सर, तो क्या डाउट पूछेंगे हम लोग अभी? आज ही तो एग्जाम खत्म हुआ है, तो डाउट कहाँ से मिलेगा? हाँ? Yes. Do you have any doubts, Amrita ji?
No, sir.
What about others? Steve, I would like to ask, do you have any doubts, Steve? What is the reason behind getting less marks?
Yeah, I did some mistakes and I understood actually
Yes,
what.
you made a mistake. That is why the marks got declined. I know that. That's what I'm asking. You made a mistake only. But what were they?
Some were calculation errors and like negative and positive integer errors were there.
Okay.
And that was my mistakes.
Then have you gone through that?
Yes, I have went.
Sorry?
So I went through and also discussed and like understood what I did wrong.
Very good. So do you have any doubts regarding that, none?
No, sir. Now I'm sure now next time I'll get full marks.
Very good confidence. So make sure that you are carrying with the same motivation and confidence for the next till the next exam. Not only the till exam, till your the exams get done. Just carry the same motivation. Okay, fine. And
Yes.
everyone, look at this here. Wherever you are, guys, wherever you are, please keep asking the doubts. Keep posting the doubts on WhatsApp. As soon as you post doubt in the WhatsApp, please drop me a message. That sir, I have posted a doubt in the WhatsApp. So can we discuss in the next class? Yes, why not? Sure. Okay. And I don't see that many of you are posting dropping me a message that you have done your work done. I just told long back, but I'm not getting a response from your side that sir, this is the work that we have done so far. This is the work done we have done today. So every day by day work done, you must be, you must drop a message in WhatsApp. You must post in a WhatsApp to me. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please,
Excuse me, sir.
irrespective of chapter, whatever you do, but what is your work done for math subject? Yes.
Sir,
Tell me, Himanshu, please.
sir, can you please tell sir that how to post doubt in WhatsApp, sir? I don't know.
Yes, let me share the screen now. 1 second, let me show it to you. So if you go WhatsApp, you will get this kind of thing here. Can you see the here? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir, yes.
You just get this page. Now add your discussion. If you click on your discussion, you put a doubt, upload your file. Look at it. Can you see upload your file here?
Yes, sir.
So you can just click on that to take a snap of from your mobile, and from mobile also you can upload. Need not to have laptop only to upload. You take a picture of that. That picture will be saving in your gallery. From that gallery, you can just choose that picture and add a discussion. Click on the add discussion. So it will be getting added to the discussion. If anyone knows, anyone can reply that. If no one knows, I'll be replying in the next class. I'll be discussing that in the next class. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you understood now how to add that? You understood that, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, yes, everyone joined. Good evening, all. Good evening, Diksha. Good evening, Tanvi. Good evening, Yogesh. Good evening, Prativa.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Diksha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, have you done with your exams?
Yes, sir. I just finished.
Everyone turn on your cameras, I told, please. Today itself, Manoj sir dropped a message in the group that turning on your cameras. Please. Yes. Everyone turn on your cameras. I repeat, everyone turn on your cameras. Good evening, all. Shut up. Have you done with your exam? Shut up.
No, sir. My exams are starting from October 5th.
Okay.
So my exam are starting from first.
First, when is your maths exam?
So fourth. Second is maths exam, sir.
Great. When is your maths exam? Shut up.
Sir, the first one is math, October 5th.
Fifth. So make sure that those who all are going to write your test, make sure that you guys are, be clear with your concept. Ask the doubts, post your doubts in WhatsApp, and ask me, drop me a message in WhatsApp to clear that doubt. Okay. And what about Yogesh?
Yes, sir.
Have you done with your exams?
No, sir, still going on.
So when is your exam, maths exam?
Sir, done, sir.
When was it?
Sir, actually, it was on. Sir, just a second.
Exam date. No one is remembering exam date, huh? Diksha, when was your exam? Maths exam?
Sir, it was on the 24th.
So 24th. How was your test?
It was really easy.
It was really easy. What about you just let me know when you get your marks from your schools?
I
Yes,
already
yes.
got my marks, sir.
Sorry?
I already got my marks.
Then you did not inform me?
I just got them today.
Okay, what is your mark then?
I got 37 out of 40.
That's great. Very good job. So everyone, guys, as soon as you're done with your, as soon as you get your marks, as soon as the marks get declared, you please drop a message and just inform me that you have got so and so mark. All right. What about Yogesh? When is your exam results are going to be announced?
Sir, after 5th.
Okay, let me know. Okay, Tanvi, what about you, Tanvi?
So my max exam is on first October.
1st October. Make sure that you are preparing well. Be clear with your doubts. Ask the doubts. Okay, post the doubt in WhatsApp. Everyone, don't post the doubt in WhatsApp, please. As you post your doubt in WhatsApp, do you know how to post doubt in WhatsApp? Look at this here. Can you all see the screen here? Let me share it to you once. Look at this here. If you get this, you can get in. You can just get this page. Once you get this page, actually go to the discussions. If you go to the discussions, you can find a box called add discussion. If you click on that discussion, you will get this kind of portfolio. Look at this here, title. Your title, whatever you want. You want to description. You want to describe something. You can describe, and you just upload your pictures. You can just add your doubt from your mobile phone as well. So need not to have only laptop to add your doubts. You can just add your doubts from mobile phone as well through mobile phone. All right. So after that, you just click on this orange color box called add discussion. If you just get clicked on that, your doubt will be added and it will be shown over here. Look at this. It is no one has posted a doubt here, so it will be shown over here. So if it is shown over here, so that doubt will be visible to everyone. So if someone knows that, if for suppose X, let us say Stira Yogesh is posting his doubt here, and for suppose Diksha Vatina knows answer for that question, so she will be replying to that if she is free. If not, some other student will be replying to that. It's not like if someone is responding to that question, and it does not mean that you cannot respond to that question. Yes, you can solve in a different way. For suppose Diksha is solving in a different way. For suppose Diksha is solving in a method 1, then let us say now Tanvi should solve in method 2. If she knows method 2, you solve that method 2 and post it out there. All right, you can help each other, and so that you also can get a practice from that. If still you are not getting, then I'll be taking upon that question. We'll be discussing that particular question in the next class. All right, you understand? Clear? Guys, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is how you can add the doubt here. And if anyone knows to solve that particular question, you can solve and post it out there. You can write on the paper, take a picture of that, post it out there, and clear your friend's doubt. And guys, don't, if you have any kind of interesting questions, so please feel free to post that particular questions in WhatsApp, so that everyone can get benefited from that. All right. So it is not like that, if you have interesting question, I only will solve, I will not share to my friends. That shouldn't be the case. If you are sharing the knowledge, if you are sharing your questions to everyone, you will get benefited a lot. So please try to understand. If you find anywhere interesting question, try to post it on WhatsApp. Let's have a discussion on WhatsApp. You guys need to discuss among yourselves, and help each other. All right. Yes. So now we are going to continue with a lesson called circles. So we were in circles, so we'll go with the circles now. All right. Yes. So till what we have done in the circles? Children, till what we have done in circles? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Till what we have finished in circles? Hello. Guys, till what you have done, I'm asking. Can you hear my voice? Hello?
Sir, hello, can you hear?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, we were doing some questions.
Okay, we were doing some questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have done with the concept, right?
Yes.
Okay, we will go with the questions now. And coming to your syllabus, guys, children, look at this here. Coming to your syllabus, in circles, tangent of a circle, we discussed point of contact. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through that point of contact. We have learned this. The lengths of tangents drawn from the external point to the circle are equal. The lengths of tangent drawn from the external point to the circle are equal. Have you proved this, guys? Have we proved this? Hello? Have we proved this one or not? Guys, this theorem, please everyone write this theorem. I think we have discussed.
Sir, could you repeat, like whenever you're going away from the mic, the sound is not clear.
Okay. So I'll keep this mic, in front of my mouth and talk. See, so what I'm trying to say here is, what I'm asking is, so I think so we have done the two theorems. Only two theorems we have learned. So theorem 3 I'm going to talk about. The theorem 3 is prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from, look at this here. So this is a point P here. The lengths of, अरे यार ये तो tangent नहीं होता है. So the lengths of these tangents, देखो this is a circle here.
Yeah, I think we already did this.
We already done, proved this.
Yes, sir, we did.
Prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. I'm asking, yes, we discussed this point, but have you proved or not? That's what I'm asking. Yes, if we're done with that, we'll go for the problems today.
Actually, last class we were doing the problems after finishing the theorem.
We solved the problems as well. Very good. So I'll give a problems now. Question: from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Then radius of circle is equal to dash. Make it fast. What is the radius of the circle? Option A given that 7 centimeters. Option B is given that 12 centimeters. Option C is given that. Guys, your term on exam is going to be MCQ type of, right?
Yes, sir, it's MCQs.
Yes, MCQ format. So we'll solve as many questions as possible. Make it fast. So from a point Q, the length of tangent. The length of tangent to a circle is 24. So how can be the diagram? Tell me the answer. This is a this is a circle here. So this is my center. There is a O. From a point Q. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 24. And the distance of the Q from the center is okay. So let us say point Q is here. So this is what? 25 centimeter. And
Sir, I got the answer.
this is what the tangent. It will be perpendicular. So this is, let's say, point P here. What is the distance given? This PQ distance, how much?
PQ is 24.
24 centimeters. All right. Yes. So what we have to find out, radius of the circle is what? What is this radius?
We can use the Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras
25
theorem,
square
yes.
is equal to 24 square
Exactly.
plus OP square.
So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square, which means 24 square plus OP square. Here OP is equal to nothing but OP is what? OP is what? Radius.
Our radius.
So 625 minus 24 whole square is 576 is equal to OP square. So how much you get here? So
49 is equal to OP square.
OP square. So OP is equal to
OP
what?
is 7.
OP is equal to 7 centimeters. So option A is going to be correct. Any doubts, girls? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Very
No.
simple, right? Yes. Next. Next type of question. So this is a diagram. Let me make a diagram here.
Sir, can you show me the diagram for the first one?
We have drawn the, we have learned a proof as well. The perpendicular
Yes, sir,
distance
I
from the
remember.
center. Yes. So this is a center. This is a diagram given to you. Okay. This is a 110 degrees. This is point PQ and this is T. All right. This is a diagram given. In this diagram, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with a center O, so that angle POQ given how much? 110 degrees. Then angle PTQ is equal to what? Angle PTQ is equal to what? We have to find out this one. PTQ angle. One thing we know here. What is that? OP is the radius here. OQ is the radius. And PT is a tangent to that particular circle. QT is also tangent to the circle. We know that, guys. The OP is what? OP is what? If I
It's
just
the radius.
yes, OP is radius. If I extend this tangent, OP is perpendicular to OP is perpendicular to PT or not? Now look at this, if I extend this tangent here, so now OQ is perpendicular to, OP is perpendicular to QT or not?
Yes, sir.
So here OP is perpendicular to PT and OQ is perpendicular to TQ. Yes or no? Now if you just observe this is a closed figure here, it is an quadrilateral.
So, sir, it would be 90 plus 90 plus 110 plus x is equal to 360.
Yes. 90 plus. Now look at this here. Can I write?
90 plus
Yes.
90 plus 110.
Look at this here. These are like perpendicular to each other. So this will be 90. So this will be 90 now. Yes or no? Angle OPT plus angle OQT plus POQ plus angle OQT. We learned OQT.
Sir, it'll be PTQ.
PTQ, very good, beta. PTQ is equal to how much? Sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360. So now
360.
OPT, P how much? I know that 110. Q how much? 90. O how much? Given 110. अरे यार ये तो 90 है, P 90 है, this is 90. So this will be what? PTQ is equal to 360. So angle PTQ is equal to 360 minus 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 110, 290. So answer is what? 70 degrees. तो ये कितना बोला? 70 degrees होगा ये. All right, beta, you understand? So the only logic here is you have to extend this tangent. If you extend this tangent, this will be perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 here. If you extend this tangent, again it will become, Q will become 90 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple question. Next. Girls, are you able to understand or not? Anyone? Anyone has any doubts here? Akil, Ahil, Amrita, Sira, Yogesh, any doubts? Show your Josh,
No,
man.
sir.
How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Yes, very good. Look at the question now. If tangents PA and PB, tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with a center O are inclined each other at angle of 80 degrees, then POA is equal to dash. Option A 60 degrees, option B 50 degrees, option C 70 degrees. If the tangents PA and PB from a point P, if a tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle E, look at this, you draw a circle here. This is a circle. This is center. P and PB from a point P. कुछ भी point ले लो, P इधर ले लो, point P is here, and P and PB are what tangents. I'm taking a point A here, point B here, or point A here, point B here. ठीक है? So these are the tangents. Yes or no? These are the tangents. These are the tangents. And he has given that to a circle with a center who are inclined to each other at a right angle of, inclined to each other at a right angle of what? Center were inclined to each other at a right angle of, look at this, at angle of 80 degrees. This angle given. Then POA how much? So this will be like center. This will be perpendicular. Yes or no? We have to find out POA. POA. We have to find out what is this. Dekho, we have to find out P. We have to find out POA. We have to find out this one. All right. Now how can I find it out? Tell me. Here OB, again OB perpendicular to BP. Yes or no? So again OA is perpendicular to AP. So this will be 90.
Yes.
This will be 90 means this will be how much? I need AOP or POA.
Sir,
POA.
since we know that OA is 90 degrees here, and we know that the total P is 80 degrees, is it bisecting it?
Yes, look at this here.
If it's bisecting it, then it would be 40 degrees.
No, you are talking about that. It is not given any kind of such information. So look at this here.
Okay.
So here I know that, beta here look at this here. I know that. Simply थोड़ा logic लगाओ. Here OA क्या है? Perpendicular to किसके लिए? OA is perpendicular to whom? PA. And OB is perpendicular to whom? PB. So मुझे पता चल गया अभी देखो. OA is perpendicular to PA. So this will be 90 now, and this will be 90. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So angle B and A both will be 90 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I just framed with a quadrilateral again. So sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I know three angles. I can find fourth angle, this one. Yes or no? I know three angles. What are they? Look at this. Angle A plus angle B plus angle O plus angle P is equal to 360 degrees. You write angle AOB, something like that. I'm writing straight 90 plus 90 plus angle O plus 80 degrees is equal to 360. Angle O I need to find out, which is 360 minus 180, 260. 260 is nothing but how much? Angle O is going to be
100.
So 100. So now as per the property, I know that, look at this here. Here AP and BP. It tangents, I know that these two tangents will be always same length. Yes or no? These two tangents will be equal, I told. As per the property we have learned. These two tangents. This AB tangent, AP tangent and BP tangent both will be equal. All right. So now can I say now OA will be is equal to OP? Yes or no? Since these two are radius, yes or no बेटा? दो radius है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो देखो OP पर OP क्या होगा? OP is a common है ना? OP is a common to these two triangles. देखो बेटा मैंने एक मिनट. Look at this here. OP is what? OP is what? Common. OP is a common side to these two triangles by using what? Triple S. Triple S congruency.
So we can do SAS also.
Huh?
Angle OBP equal to angle OAP.
Angle.
OBP equal to angle OAP.
Huh.
They both are 90, so we can
Why?
also.
Because yes. Why I'm saying here look at the OP is a common side. OA. ये OA this will be बराबर to this two. OA is equal to OB. तो OP भी ये बराबर है. तो all sides are equal here by using triple S congruency. By using triple A congruency, I can say that POA is equal to POB. Yes or no?
Yes.
But I
Sir,
know
can you
that.
explain how you found the congruency again?
Look at this here. मुझे पता है ना इधर OA is equal to OB. दो sides are equal and OP is a common side. Three sides. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We know this property, right? We have learned. मुझे देखो ये क्वेश्चन किया था ना हमने. Where is the question? This question. Look at this. This question. TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with a center O. इधर देखो ये TP है ना, ये दोनों इक्वल होता है. इसका लेंथ होता है ना, दोनों बराबर होता है. मैंने बताया था आपको प्रॉपर्टीज में. These two
Yes, sir, I understood.
lengths of these two tangents will be equal. So equal sides. So triple S. So they go. Now here what's happening? So POB is equal to POA. And can I say now? Now here देखो मुझे बताइए. Here this is bisecting. This is bisecting. Yes or no? As you said, shut up. It is bisecting. You are right only. Now we can clearly we are able to understand that it is bisecting. So it is what now? 100 by 2. Katna? 50. 50 is my answer. So 50 is my answer.
Sir, how can OPB is equal to OK? I mean OA, sorry. How can OP be equal to OA? Because here we know that it's 90 degrees. So opposite to that would be hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side, right?
Which one you are saying? OP? No.
How can OP be equal to OA? Because the point is outside the circle itself, so it has to be longer, right?
Yes. Wait. You are right. So look at this now. So here, what can I write now? By using triple S congruency, can I say OAP triangle is equal to OPB triangle? By using that, आपको पता है ना triple S. By using, I can say that OPA ये किसके साथ बराबर होगा? OPB के बराबर होगा. So इसमें जो भी है सब बराबर होगा ना. By using triple S congruency, I'm saying that this triangle, this yellow color triangle is equal to. एक minute. This pink color triangle, yellow color triangle is equal to pink color triangle by using triple S. OPA is equal to similar to OPB. Now, एक minute guys. Now can I write now here angle AOB. This is AOB, right?
Yes, sir.
AOB. AOB. मुझे find out करना है क्या? POA. I need to find out O. So angle OAB is equal to what? POA plus POB. Yes or no? POA plus POB. Can I write like that? Yes or no? मुझे पता है angle AOB is equal to what? Angle AOB is equal to what? Angle AOB is equal to POA. Look at this. If you are not understanding like that, so here POB is equal to POA. POA is equal to POB ना? मुझे इधर substitute कर देखो. This
yes.
I'm taking this as equation number 1. So from the equation number 1, angle AOB is equal to POA. Yeah, POB is equal to POA. POA.
Yes, sir.
So 2 times of POA is equal to angle AOB. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So POA is equal to angle AOB divided by 2. What is O here? This is AOB only. So 100 by 2. 50 degrees. This is how I can get that answer.
Yes,
Clear?
sir, I agree with this. But if we look at it from like a, general perspective,
No.
I
Yes.
still
If
don't
you
get
generally,
how
no.
PO
Yes.
can be.
If you generally look at that, hypotenuse will be longer side. By using the property, that will be equal. If you just compare the properties, as per the properties, if you move so, that will be equal. If you compare like generally, like that is, yes, hypotenuse is the longer side. Hypotenuse is the longer side. But if you consider CPCT rule, CPCT make what do you mean by CPCT here? What is the congruency property says to you? If you are comparing two triangles, congruency is nothing but if you are comparing two triangles, all sides will be equal. उसमें जो भी है सब equal होगा. That is what congruency, isn't it? By using that,
Yes, sir.
we can just proceed that. That is the only proof we can talk about. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Next. Whenever you are writing MCQ test, need not to think this much. मुझे पता है दोनों लेंथ, ये दो लेंथ बराबर होगा, ठीक है. ये BP is equal to AB, तो ये क्या होगा, बाइसेक्ट ही होगा 100%. Why? Because this will be equal to this will. ये तो बीच में से जा रहा है ना, तो whatever you get वो value just divide by 2. So that would be your answer. ठीक है. Next.
Yes, sir.
The question is, two concentric circles of radii find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. All right. मेरे पास दो सर्किल है, two constant, these two circles. Let us say these two circles are. All right, these two circles I have. So what he has given, concentric circles, the radii is 5 centimeters. मेरे पास this is my center. So this will be कुछ 5. Yes or no? And this will be कोई 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This will be छोटू वाला 3 है, ठीक है. This is my center O. ठीक है. Now what he has given again? Find the length of the chord of the larger circle. Length of the chord of the larger circle. मुझे chord का मतलब क्या होता है? chord बताओ. chord मतलब देखो.
Sir, the secant.
Not secant. Secant is different than chord. Chord is
How
a
is
line
it
segment.
different?
No. chord is a line segment बेटा. देखो ये chord होता है, ये मेरा secant होता है, समझ रहे?
Yes, sir. Secant is ongoing.
Ongoing. Look at it here. Secant is a ongoing and chord is a what? Length segment. ठीक है. So now I have this. Now look at this here. I need to find out what? I need to find a chord, right? Chord is nothing but this. Can I make this chord now? This is a chord of the larger circle. If you chord, I know that हमारे पास, अरे यार बहुत सिंपल है, देखो हमारे पास एक थ्योरम है ना, this will be perpendicular now, this will be perpendicular, तो ये क्या होगा, एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट, ये थ्योरम था ना, देखो ये थ्योरम क्या होता है, देखो look at this, just now we solve this question, first question based upon this, आया समझ, देखो भाई, from a point Q the length of the tangent to a circle, from a point Q, ये है ना, from a point Q ये perpendicular होगा, OP से perpendicular होगा इधर. Similarly, look at this here. What happens now? This now you take, this is some point here. कुछ भी ले लो, point P ले लो, ठीक है. ये लाइन सेगमेंट कुछ भी ले लो, मुझे M ले लिया, मैंने L ले लिया, M ले लिया, ठीक है. LM आया समझ? LM मुझे ये क्या पता है, ये 90 तो पता है मुझे. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now इधर OP देखो, OP perpendicular to what? LM. Guys, you understand how I made the diagram? You understand how I made the diagram? We need to find a chord. Chord का मतलब क्या होता है? Chord का मतलब देखो, ये मैंने ये ऐसा ले लिया. This is my chord now. Chord by touching the inner circle. By touching the inner circle मतलब at point P it is making tangent. At point P the tangent is what? This OP. देखो tangent के LM tangent है इधर. This is my tangent. LM is a chord as well as tangent to the inner circle. LM is a chord of the bigger circle, larger circle. LM is a chord of the larger circle and tangent to the what? Inner circle, smaller circle. So OP is perpendicular now. OP is perpendicular to LM. As simple as that. So मुझे पता है इधर OP is perpendicular to LM by applying Pythagoras theorem. This triangle में मुझे पता करना है by using Pythagoras theorem now. Can I say
OM square.
OM square मुझे पता है ना, देखो OM square के हिसाब से now.
Yes, sir. It would be okay.
Now कैसे, yes. Now देखो बेटा, ये can I make a triangle over here? This triangle. Yes or no? Can I join the two? If I join, so I need to find out OL and OM. OL and OM दोनों बराबर ही होगा ना, तो देखो O.
Yes, sir.
OP is perpendicular to LM, तो OM square is equal to PM square plus OP square. तो मुझे OP का वैल्यू पता है. OP का वैल्यू कितना बताओ? OP का वैल्यू 3. इनर रेडियस, इनर सर्किल का रेडियस. Yes or no? देखो बेटा,
Yes, sir.
रेडियस, दिस आल्सो रेडियस, सब रेडियस ही है ना. तो OP is here, radius of inner circle is equal to 3. That is OP is equal to 3. ठीक है. Then OP is equal to 3. You read not, that is then OP. So OM क्या है इधर? OM. What is OM?
5.
OM. OM is a
5.
radius of, OM is the radius of greater circle. So OM is what? 5 square. PM we have to find, prime minister we have to find. OP is what? 3 square. So PM square is equal to 25 minus 9. तो PM कितना मिला मुझे? 4.
4.
Any doubts? कितना सेंटीमीटर दिया है ना? सेंटीमीटर ओनली. यस.
Sir, you need to double it to find the length of the chord.
हाँ, लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड क्या कितना होगा बताओ मुझे अभी. लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट. लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड
8
look at
centimeters.
it. LM is equal to 2 times of LM is equal to what?
2 times of PM.
2 times of PM.
PM.
So LM मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. So 2 times of इधर PM not M. So 4. LM is equal to 8 centimeters. This is a chord. Chord of what? Chord of the larger circle. ठीक है. So this is how I can find. A very interesting question. Good question. Any doubts? Children, any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
Now we'll solve one more question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Then we have to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. He has given the diagram. Let me draw the diagram. And a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral like this, he has given us something like this. I'm not good at diagrams. Yes. So it is touching all the, touching at different points. Touching here, it's touching here, it's touching here, it's touching here. In such a way that the quadrilateral is circumscribing to that circle. Okay. So this is what kind of quadrilateral? A, B, C, and D. Okay. So what we have to prove is prove AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Yes. So these are the midpoints. You say कोई भी ले लो L, M, N, L, O, LMN, LM, NO. Okay. Now can I say now from the diagram what can you say? This is the diagram given, guys. So what can you say here? Can I say this one is equal to this one, guys? Hey, boys and girls, look at this here. Can I say this one tangent? ND is equal to DO OD. Yes or no? Length of the tangents are equal from the external point. Length of the tangents will be equal from the external point. So here ND will be equal to OD. Do you agree with my point? And
Yes, sir.
OA will be equal to AL. OB equal to, not OB, LB. MB. NC is equal to MC. Yes or no? They are tangents. They are the tangents. These are the tangents from their external points. Yes. So now what can I say now? Now look at this. बेटा you देखो क्या करना है मुझे? AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So now add all these things. Add all these things. Whatever LHS side you have, add all this. ND plus OA plus LB plus NC is equal to OD plus AL plus MB plus MC. ठीक है? So how can I arrange now? Guys, so what is there any mistake?
Sir, we can transpose those sides which make up the constituent larger sides to one side and then those to the other side.
So OA minus OD. So what can I do again? LB minus MB is equal to AL so I just done this OA LB MB मेरे पास क्या बचा है अभी AL plus MC minus ND plus NC minus NC. Now can I just no, we have to write in such a way that one second. I think we made a mistake writing of this. Here DN is equal to OD सही है. Here BL is equal to array boys and girls, look at this here. Here this BL is equal to BM. Then acha. So here DN is equal to DO. CN is equal to CM. AO is equal to what? AO is equal to AL. So if I add now, you will get it now. So DN plus BL plus CN plus AO is equal to DO plus BM plus CM plus AL. Now rearrange this. You have to get AB plus CD. AB plus CD you have to get. How can I get AB plus CD? Look at this here. Can I write AL plus LB, right? AL plus LB is equal to AB here. AL plus LB. Where is LB here? This is LB. We have to rearrange this. So can I write now DN plus NC? Or can I write now DN plus CN, these two together? Yes or no? Now BL plus what? BL plus LA. BL plus LA, but we are getting something different. Okay.
Sir, for the last one, instead of AO is equal to AL, if you write AL is equal to AO, then one side will be.
So that would be equal. A L इधर A तो BL plus AL now. तो मेरे पास देखो अभी DO plus AO BM plus CM. तो DN plus CN क्या है इधर? DN plus CN. CD, right? CD is equal to DN plus NC. So this will be CD. BL plus AL. BL plus AL AB.
BA.
So DO plus AO. Do plus O. AD.
AD.
BM plus CM. BM plus
BC.
BC. So hence proved. All right. So this is how we can prove this. Any doubts, children? Any doubts here? Guys, I'm writing this one. From external points, tangents will be equal. From external point, tangent to that particular circle, the length of the tangents will be equal to the each other. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts? Children, any doubt? And guys,
No, sir, no doubt.
please do solve your exercise. Exercise problems from your NCERT. All right. And after the once you're done with this, go for R.D. Sharma as well. After that, R.S. Agarwal you have. So many books you have, just go for. First priority should be goes to this one. Second one, this one. Why? Because exercise problems of NCERT only they'll be taking as a consideration to prepare your board exam question paper. All right. Yes. So yes, children. So I just a minute. Yes, I think we have done. Thank you.